I am thrilled to share that Nora product is finally installed here at Basecamp. We installed Nora rubber in 4 key areas: both kitchens, the elevator, and the restorative room, which we use for fitness and recreation. These areas will benefit from the resilience of Nora rubber and blend seamlessly with the other flooring products in the building.
You will find Nora flooring in a variety of facilities around the world, such as in hospitals, schools, airports, laboratories, and now Basecamp. The installer must confirm that this subfloor is sound, smooth, and flat. Sometimes mechanical equipment is used to remove accumulations of old adhesives, paint, or chemical residue. The installer may need to use a patching or leveling compound to make the surface smooth and flat. For faster installations, like at Basecamp, Nora has 2 dry and pressure-sensitive adhesives, known as Dri-Fix and NTX. Dri-Fix is a roll of double-sided tape applied directly to the subfloor. It has a removable protective sheet on the top side, which allows for foot traffic before the flooring is placed. At the time of installation, the protective sheet is removed, and the flooring is placed onto the adhesive and rolled. NTX is also a dry, pressure-sensitive adhesive system. Instead of tape, the adhesive is applied directly to the floor backing during manufacturing. Finally, the flooring is rolled with a 100-pound 3-section roller. The weight of the roller ensures a full transfer of the adhesive to the floor backing. If you do not roll the flooring, there is a risk of weak transfer and adhesion, which could cause an area to become loose.
Basecamp was designed with intention, including the products, colors, and backings we chose for the Nora installation. For the Level 1 pantry, we installed Satura in Ara with NTX self-adhesive backing. We use this specifically for Level 1 since it is an elevated slab and could potentially be subject to moisture conditions and can be used immediately for walking, cleaning, and rolling loads. We host a lot of customer and employee events at Basecamp, especially on the 4th floor. Because the kitchen gets so much use, we installed Arago in Unity to create a more hygienic environment. The closed, dense surface prevents bacteria growth and provides superior slip resistance. The restorative rooms at Basecamp are designed for recreation and fitness. We installed Centeca in multiple colors to complement the surrounding floor plate while reducing noise and supporting musculoskeletal well-being. Floors get dirty, especially at Basecamp since we get so much foot traffic in the building. In the elevator cab, we installed Nora Mint Grano, which is a hammered textured with accents of flex to help camouflage dirt.
Basecamp is not only our global headquarters, but a sample center, office, event space, and a public showroom. We are proud to showcase how you can integrate carpet tile, LVT, rubber, and floor products into one building and show that together we will do more.